Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel. In this video we have this equation over here and we want to find x and y, knowing that x and y belongs to positive integer. Now let's start. So in this video I'm going to show you two ways of solving this question. Now let's start with our method 1. So with our method 1 we are going to focus on the first term over here, 2 exponent x. So from here I'm going to add and subtract negative y. So I'm going to add and then subtract negative y from the exponent. So doing that, I'm going to have 2 exponent x minus y plus y minus 2 exponent y is equal to 2016. So over here, I'm going to rewrite the first term as 2 exponent x minus y times 2 exponent y using the law of indices minus 2 exponent y is equal to 2016. Over here we have 2 exponent y in common over here. So I'm going to factorize 2 exponent y out. So doing that, I'm going to have 2 exponent y into 2 exponent x minus y minus, and then here we'll be left with just 1. So this will be equal to 2016. Over here 2016 can be written as 32 times 63, and then 32 can also be written as 2 exponent 5. So we are choosing 2 because we are dealing with base 2 over here. So 2 exponent 5 times 63. So this will also give us 2016. So in place of 2016 we are going to write 2 exponent 5 times 63. So we are going to have 2 exponent 5 times 63. So this will be equal to 2 exponent y multiplying 2 exponent x minus y minus 1. So over here we are going to equate this term to this one and then also equate this term to this one. So let's do that. Now we are going to have 2 exponent y is equal to 2 exponent 5, and here the bases are the same, so we are going to equate the exponent. So y will be equal to 5, and then from here we are going to have 2 exponent x minus y minus 1 is equal to 63. So let's send negative 1 to the right hand side. So doing that, you're going to have 2 exponent x minus y is equal to 63 plus 1, which we are going to have 64. So 2 exponent x minus y will be equal to 64, can also be written as 2 exponent 6. Again, we have same basis over here, so we are going to equate the exponent. So when we do that, you are going to have x minus y to be equal to 6. And then we had y to be 5. So in place of y over here, you are going to write 5. So you are going to have x minus 5 is equal to 6. So x will be equal to 6 plus 5, which you are going to have 11. So we had y to be 5 and then x to be 11. And we said x and y should belong to positive integers. So we've gotten positive integers. Now let's write this down, 5 and 11 as our answer. So this is for y and then this is for x. So let's try that of the second method. Now we have 2 exponent x and then negative 2 exponent y. So we can say that 2 exponent x is greater than 2 exponent y. So over here the bases are the same, so we are going to have x to be greater than y. So over here we have x being greater than y. So if we want to make y to be equal to x, then we can only do that by adding a number to y or subtracting a number from y. So let's say we are going to let the number be equal to a. So in this case x will be equal to y plus the number, or x will be equal to y minus the number. But in this video we are not going to focus on the negative aspect, we are going to only focus on the positive one. Now let's go back to the original equation. So we are given 2 exponent x over here. So in place of x, we are going to replace it with what is over here, y plus a. So we are going to have 2 exponent y plus a minus 2 exponent y is equal to 2016. Over here we can split this using the law of indices. For instance, when we have a exponent b plus c, so this will be equal to a exponent b times a exponent c. Since the base are the same, we are going to add the exponent. So looking at what is over here, we can see that this is of this form. So we can quickly change this to this form. Now do that, we are going to have 2 exponent y times 2 exponent a minus 2 exponent y is equal to, here 2016, again we can write this as 2 exponent 5 times 63. So I'm going to have 2 exponent 5 times 63. Now we have y in common, so let's factorize y out. So I'm going to have 2a minus 1 is equal to 2 exponent 5 times 63. Now we are going to equate this term to this one, and then this term also to this one, just like we did before. So I'm going to have 2 exponent y is equal to 2 exponent 5. And then again we are going to have 2 exponent a minus 1 is equal to 63. So over here y will be equal to 5, and then we are going to have 2a is equal to 64. So 2a will be equal to, now 64 can be written as 2 exponent 6, right? So here you are going to have a to be equal to 6. But from here we said x is equal to y plus a. So in place of a over here, we are going to write 6. Then in place of y, we are going to write 5. So we are going to have x to be equal to 5 plus 6, which we are going to have x to be equal to 11. Again, we had y to be 5 and then x to be 11, just like we had over here. So each of the method will work for you. I don't know which one that you choose, but if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment as well. See you in the next video.